Okay, so right now we are about to...
Hold that, man. I'm all...
Okay.
It's a little crooked.
We are going to remove this branch right here by taking that tow hitch, the tow strap right there, and I'm going to pull on it after Steve cuts it. So that's the synapse of this video.
I would think when you were on the house, you should have got it down at this end, right? Yeah. So you can get more leverage on it, right? I couldn't even really reach that far out from the house. It was really awkward.
Yeah, why don't I just put the ladder underneath that elbow so you can put the...
What?
Never mind.
What are you doing? What are you talking about?
That little bend right there on the tree. If you put it around that, I can pull on it so it doesn't hit the house.
Yeah, exactly.
Rather pulls it this way. That's...
Pull, yes.
Yeah.
Get out here and pull on the top of this.
Yeah, right there.
You need to come out on this branch right here and pull this way.
Like, see how it goes in and then up? That's where we need to put the toe strap.
Come over here.
I almost fell. Alright.
You keep recording me for, man. I'm looking down at you. I got a little freaking Jabba the Hutt double chin going on.
Oh, shut up. Okay, so, like right here.
Yeah, yeah.
Boom. Right where that elbow is.
Well, it's the fact that I don't reach it.
Right there. And then,
yeah. It's pretty up there. I don't know. Just throw it over the top. Wing it.
wing it. Chicken, Kentucky Fried Chicken, wing it. Kentucky Fried Chicken, wing it. Going to stand on this?
Yes.
Okay.
I really don't want to fall.
All right, cool. Yeah, just throw it
That
over
would be a funny blooper.
Ah. I'll have to take it out the blooper, put on the blooper reel. You know, separate the videos. Now this is the blooper reel of tree.
There you go. Here? Oh yeah, put it over there.
There you go, you got it. Good job. Is it good?
If you want him to have more
That's
room
fine.
to pull it.
Now he can pull this way, right?
Yeah.
Away from the house. As you cut it, it'll start to, you know.
Yeah, I could pull it just like this.
Pull it like that. Exactly.
But then I'll have to move as quick as possible after I pull it.
Well, if you want more room, you can get the other one. The other one's over in the.
you know, I don't have.
Well, I don't want to have to quickly. Is there another toe strap in there?
Well, she wants his.
I know, but you can do that after, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Steve, is there another toe strap or
So you get the end off, right?
What?
is there another toe strap or no?
Yeah, there's another one. I
Okay.
can get you another one if you want more room.
Yeah. I need a lot of clearance because I don't want to get smacked while I'm running away. Ah! This is the stupidest thing I've ever done. Just saying.
I mean, he'll cut it and it'll start to fall really slowly.
But hey, at least we don't have. At least you don't have to buy for that tree removal service, huh? You should just call them back out and be like, "Look what we did. We did this free of charge." Can't believe tree services. I can't believe tree services.
Charge that much?
Yeah. Oh, and we're not encouraging people to do this. Don't do it. Just
Despite
if you
the fact that
can't.
we're
If
trying
you,
this at home, please, ladies and gentlemen, do not try this at home.
yeah. If you can't afford a tree removal service, I would suggest doing this. Just saying.
Keep it taut, or it's gonna come out of that hole.
Okay. Yeah. All right, now I'm gonna put you in my pocket. Hopefully. I hope this works.
I do too.
If not, we're screwed.
It's gonna fall on the ladder. It's gonna hit the ladder when it falls, right?
Yeah, you don't want it underneath the ladder.
You don't want it. You want the ladder underneath the ramp. You want to have to reach out.
Put it sideways. Like this.
I'm good.
Okay.
Where we had it.
Oh, pocket. Crap.
Alright. As long as you're happy, then you come down and start it.
I need somebody to hold this phone. I want to put this on YouTube or something.
Find a good place to put it where
I don't think you're gonna pull that hard, Shane. I just put some pressure on it.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll just hang on to my phone like this. Hey, this is pretty comfy.
Ladders are not for me, man.
As I'll ever be. Here we go.